Come together to explore cutting-edge research, discuss future trends, and to shape the technological landscape of tomorrow.
In a landmark moment, we are proud to announce the signing of MOU with Indy International University. This partnership paves the way for academic exchange, collaborative research, and global opportunities in data analytics and computer science.
With distinguished keynote speakers, insightful panel discussions, and groundbreaking research presentations, this is the event where knowledge meets innovation.
Be part of this global knowledge exchange. Register now and experience the future of computer science and data analytics.
The countdown is on. See you all at the big event.
Possibilities and data fuels the future. Good morning to one and all gathered here. On behalf of KPR College of Arts, Science and Research, I welcome everyone for the 3rd International Conference on Recent Trends in Computer Science and Data Analytics, organized by the Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics. This is Soumya
and Sandhya from the Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics. We are honored to be a master of ceremony on this remarkable event. Blessed by the grace of Tamil Mother, let us uphold and protect our cultural heritage as a sacred duty, honoring the greatness of this language and ensuring the voice of Tamil resonates across the world. Now, let us all rise for Tamil Thai Valthu.
As we kindle this lamp, may its flame symbolize the awakening of intellect, the dispelling of ignorance, and the illumination of our path towards wisdom, prosperity, and enlightenment in all endeavors. Now, I request all the dignitaries to light the lamp.
Thank you, dignitaries. Dance is the hidden language of the soul, a way to express what words cannot. In each step, we connect, celebrate, and share the joy of being together. I would like to invite Shweta from 1st BSc AIDS for the welcome dance.
உன்னை காணாது நான் இன்று நான் இல்லையே விதையில்லாமல் வேறில்லையே உன்னை காணாது நான் இன்று நான் இல்லையே விதையில்லாமல் வேறில்லையே நான் இன்று நான் இல்லையே விதையில்லாமல் வேறில்லையே நிதம் காண்கின்றவான் கூட நிஜமல்ல இதம் சேர்க்கும் கடா கூட சுகமல்ல நீ இல்லாமல் நான் இல்லையே உன்னை காணாமல் உன்னை காணாமல் உன்னை காணாமல் உன்னை காணாமல் கமதனிதானிதமகமருகித உன்னை காணாமல் பெண் நெஞ்சு தடுமாறுதே விதையில்லாமல் சரி வர தூங்காது வாடு பரத்துல உனக்காக எங்கு
Thank you, Shweta, for your spectacular welcome performance.
An institution is not just a place of learning. It's a dynamic community where ideas flourish, connections are forged, and futures are shaped. Let us all have the pleasure of listening to the KPR anthem.
சிறகை விரிக்கும் கோவையின் பறவை நான் தரமே எங்கள் தாரகமே கரிசல் பூமியில் கானம் பாடிடும் கதிர்களின் உலகே பருத்தியின் விளைவை துகிலாய் மாற்றிடும் எங்கள் கரம் ஆலைகள் வளருதுங்க மனதில் அன்பும் பெருகுதுங்க கல்வியின் பெருமையிலும் எங்கள் நிறுவனம் ஒன்றாக பண்பாடுவோம் ஒன்றாக கொண்டாடுவோம் ஒன்றாக பண்பாடுவோம் ஒன்றாக கொண்டாடுவோம் புகழை வரவேற்போம் சூளை பூக்களை ஆலை பாக்களை உழைத்தே சுரம் பிரிப்போம் சேவை செழிப்பில் உயர்ந்தே எங்கள் செல்வம் கொழிக்கும் நாட்டின் வளர்ச்சி உயர சேர்ந்தே நாமும் உழைப்போம் ஒன்றாக பண்பாடுவோம் வெற்றியை ஒன்றாக கொண்டாடுவோம் ஒன்றாக பண்பாடுவோம் ஒன்றாக கொண்டாடுவோம்
Welcome to the Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics, the powerhouse of innovation and the cradle of future leaders. Embark on a visual journey delving into the core of our department, where stories of innovation unfold through the lens of technology. Get ready to explore the future of technology and data-driven innovation, presenting the official promo for the 3rd International Conference on Recent Trends in Computer Science and Data Analytics.
Hello everyone. In the ever-evolving world of technology, staying ahead means embracing innovation, research and collaboration.
At the KPR College of Arts, Science and Research,
Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics proudly presents the 3rd International Conference on Recent Trends in Computer Science with Data Analytics.
This prestigious conference has received an overwhelming response with 800 plus research papers and 1000 plus participants from across the globe.
Join us as a leading minds in computer science and data analytics. Come together to explore cutting-edge research, discuss future trends, and to shape the technological landscape of tomorrow.
In a landmark moment, we are proud to announce the signing of MOU with Indy International University. This partnership paves the way for academic exchange, collaborative research, and global opportunities in data analytics and computer science.
with distinguished keynote speakers, insightful panel discussions, and groundbreaking research presentations. This is the event where knowledge meets innovation.
Be part of this global knowledge exchange. Register now and experience the future of computer science and data analytics.
The countdown is on. See you all at the big event.
Presenting the digital release of the conference proceedings where groundbreaking research meets global accessibility, ensuring innovation reaches every corner of the world in an instant. I would like to invite Dr. P. Geeta Ma'am, Principal, KPR College of Arts, Science and Research, to release the digital copy of the proceedings of the 3rd International Conference on Recent Trends in Computer Science and Data Analytics.
Thank you, dignitaries.
Hello everyone. In the ever-evolving world of technology, staying ahead means embracing innovation, research and collaboration.
At the KPR College of Arts, Science and Research,
Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics proudly presents the 3rd International Conference on Recent Trends in Computer Science with Data Analytics.
This prestigious conference have received an overwhelming response with 800 plus research papers and 1000 plus participants from across the globe.
Join us as a leading minds in computer science and data analytics come together to explore cutting-edge research, discuss future trends, and to shape the technological landscape of tomorrow.
In a landmark moment, we are proud to announce the signing of MOU with Inti International University. This partnership paves the way for academic exchange, collaborative research, and global opportunities in data analytics and computer science.
With distinguished keynote speakers, insightful panel discussions, and groundbreaking research presentations, this is the event where knowledge meets innovation.
Be part of this global knowledge exchange. Register now and experience the future of computer science and data analytics.
The countdown is on. See you all at the big event.
Hello everyone. In the ever-evolving world of technology, staying ahead means embracing innovation, research and collaboration.
At the KPR College of Arts, Science and Research.
Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics proudly presents the third international conference on recent trends in computer science with data analytics.
I request all
This prestigious conference have received an overwhelming response with 800 plus research papers and 1000 plus participants from across the globe.
Join us as a leading minds in computer science and data analytics come together to explore cutting-edge research, discuss future trends, and to shape the technological landscape of tomorrow.
In a landmark moment, we are proud to announce the signing of MOU with Inti International University. This partnership paves the way for academic exchange, collaborative research, and global opportunities in data analytics and computer science.
With distinguished keynote speakers, insightful panel discussions, and groundbreaking research presentations, this is the event where knowledge meets innovation.
Be part of this global knowledge exchange. Register now and experience the future of computer science and data analytics.
The countdown is on. See you all at the big event.
A genuine welcome is one of the greatest gifts we can offer. I would like to invite Dr. P. Sharmila Ma'am, Dean, School of Computing Science, to welcome the gathering.
Good morning to one and all gathered here. I stand before you to propose the welcome address for this international conference. At the outset, I would like to welcome our chief guest of the day, Professor Dr. Malati Battumale. Hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Yes, ma'am? Yeah. Director, Center for Data Science and Sustainable Technologies, Inti International University, Malaysia. And Professor Dr. Siti Sara Maidin, Deputy Director, Center for Data Science and Sustainable Technologies, Inti International University, Malaysia. We welcome you both, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us for this international conference. How did we get the contact of Inti University is that they both visited Ramakrishna College, and Dr. Satyavadi, she reached out to them and she made sure that they visited KPR's campus, and on discussion with our principal ma'am, we finally agreed to conduct a joint conference along with KPRCAS and Inti University. So at this junction, I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to the head of the department, Dr. Satyavadi. Thank you so much, Satya, for taking this effort. And for each and every effort we take, there is a person who always supports us. So again, at this junction again, I would like to welcome and also send a heartfelt thank you to our principal ma'am, Dr. P. Geeta, who is approachable. And for any initiatives we take, we in the sense, I'm not talking about School of Computing Science, about the entire college. She stands with us and she supports us for all the endeavors. And in case if anything goes wrong and we run to her, she's there to solve the problem. That's the best part of her. Thank you so much for being with us, ma'am. And hope I don't come with any problems after this conference to you. And I think we'll do it good. And I would also like to welcome all the technical experts from other colleges, Dr. Srijit sir, Kadrivelan sir, Jansi ma'am, Deepalakshmi ma'am, and they have come from various colleges, from Sri Krishna Aditya College, from Ramakrishna College, Government Arts College, Kongunadu College, and yeah, have I left out anyone, sir? I'll just, and Nirmala College, yes ma'am, thank you, Jansi ma'am from Nirmala College, and Kanchana ma'am, I think she is on her way. So thank you so much for joining. We welcome you wholeheartedly for this international conference because your contribution is what, because conference generally is where people with good minds come together, share their expertise. So we are very happy to have you here. Please do share your expertise with us. And I'm sure my students and the students from outside colleges and the faculty from outside colleges will take a leaf out of what you're telling to them today. Please do pass your knowledge to our children, to the upcoming generation here. And I take this opportunity to welcome all the HODs from the School of Computing Science who are always with us, who support us in all the endeavors. If any department organizes any function, the rest of the HODs and the faculty members are here. So on that note, I would like to welcome Dr. Pratibha, Sumati, and Deepa for joining here. And this conference was a team effort. First was Dr. Satyavadi, and next to Satyavadi, I should welcome Ramesh Kumar sir. Thank you so much, Ramesh sir, for putting in so much of effort for this. And joining this team effort is Dr. Jayanti Wagini, Manoj, and Brinda. And I think they should be somewhere else maintaining all the disciplines here. Because without this team effort, anything would have been impossible. They were here for all through the days, even for the last vacations. I mean, we had a couple of days leave. The faculty members were here. And I remember Satya going around the town hall to purchase that flower. I think she spent a half a day for that. Yes, Satya? Yeah. So each and every minute detail was put in, was taken care of. We had a checklist. We were working with a checklist. We saw to that everything is being taken care of. And I should also welcome our admission director, Arish, here. Thank you, Arish, for joining. And my greatest pleasure is in welcoming my deans, Dr. Kumuda Devi, Dean School of Computing Science, and Dr. Anand Gerald, Dean School of Management, and Dr. Neelima from Consulting Services. So all the stalwarts of KPR CAS is here to join us to make this a memorable event. And so as Dean and on my personal note, again, I would like to welcome each and every one of you here. The effort is very large. They have received papers from all over the world because I'm very particular when they put the promo video. If it is across the globe, I make sure that at least the paper is across the globe. If not, I make sure that remove that word Satya I used to tell her. So this time she made sure that she brought in papers. We have a paper from United States. So thank you for the effort, Satya. And next year, I'm sure that we'll focus only on other states and other countries. So that's what is a takeaway from this conference, which a promise which myself, Ramesh sir, and Satya made yesterday evening. So in association with AI and data analytics and AI and ML, all the analytics department put together. So I have a different plan for computer science and IT. They're looking at me. So we'll work out on another mega event also. So as per the principal's guidelines, so next year the School of Computing Science will focus on 2 mega events, as you said, ma'am. I make it as a promise on this case. I mean, you can mark it as you can even record it, yeah. So thank you so much for coming here. At this out again, I have a great pleasure in welcoming the chief guests of the day for joining us today. My principal, my deans, my HODs, and students, and our technical experts from other colleges. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Your words of welcome have made this occasion even more special. Thank you, ma'am, for your kindness and hospitality. In the symphony of professional growth, each note of determination contributes to the harmony of achievement. I would like to invite Dr. P. Geeta ma'am, Principal, KPR College of Arts, Science and Research, to deliver the presidential address.
Very happy morning to everyone gathered here, and most respected guests from India University, Dean, HOD, Dr. Satyavati and our team. And I also appreciate the students of CSDA for being here and prepared this day to happen today. And it is all because of the students, I could say, and most probably with the students of MC Desk. They are doing their own wonderful job, and faculty are behind them. The students take a lead, and that is the speciality of KPR College of Students. So really, I thank all the students who have been involved into video editing and promo videos. Whatever video you have done it is all very excellent and wonderful. So which means that I'm remembered by one point here. If you're working for a success, you could be a master of that. And if you want to work for your satisfaction, you will be a legend. So with this, I probably say that you all will be belonging to the second category. So I wish each and every one of you all who have been gathered for this conference, very happiest learning should happen here when you go out of this college. And each and every platform, when it is given to you, you will have to utilize this. So in every meeting, I keep on telling this, which means that it should be taken at least by 10% of the students who have been here in this auditorium. And again, coming on to the faculty side, the department faculty, they have been supporting the entire team, and the guidance was given by Dean and HOD. Everybody, they didn't look into their designation or their profile. They worked scrupulously, and it is today because of them only we are here for the 3rd international conference. So my heartiest congratulations to the head of the department as well as the dean for organizing this for the 3rd year and making it as a true international conference. And I've also seen that we have received one paper from Globe New York, and next Andhra Pradesh 2 paper, Karnataka 3 papers, and from the other colleges we have got 257 papers. Like, it is all mixed up with engineering as well as arts. And from our own campus, we have got 337 papers. So which put together, we have roughly got 800 plus papers. So if you are able to pull in 800 plus research papers, what next? So next, in the sense, this year they have been doing for ISBN, and probably, as Dean told, next year it would be IEEE, right? So you will have to have a think big and aim for higher. So if you're thinking big, definitely you'll be able to achieve it in a short span of time. So that is really a need here. And also the participants from the other colleges, my heartiest appreciations to everyone for being here and giving away your presentations. So in each and everything, you should at least take one key point and register it. This point, I've taken it from the international conference, which was organized by KPR College of Arts, Science and Research. So our students, they are extremely good, even when you compare with any of the universities across nation, even in the international level. We take the students every semester to the international visit, and they explore many things. So how they have been doing this kind of a program without any kind of a disturbance is that they have been watching where the students at the abroad universities they are doing. So that kind of an exposure, the students are having it, and they try to explore the culture, what has been happening. So everything, it's been brought in our students, and slowly we are raising the bars and we are just going ahead. So that is why we have been planning for each and every semester one country. The students should definitely make a visit, and we'll go to the various universities, and we also sign an MOU. And next week probably we'll be going to Jaffna University, Sri Lanka there, and 5 days we'll be there, and also we'll be having a sightseeing. So what I mean to say here is that this time it will be a different visit. See, the students also have an opportunity to give a session for the students at Jaffna University. So we are picking out two or three students from our campus who have been traveling with us to Sri Lanka. There they'll be addressing a group of students. Whatever the technology and the tools, our students are very much interested and well versed of it. They'll be teaching the students over there, and also the faculty who are accompanying us, they'll also be given a platform. They can interact with the students and they'll be doing the session. So this kind of interaction should happen each and every time when you visit a university. So it is not just going for a trip and coming. It is not like that. So it should happen academically. We'll have to grow both academically, and also we'll have to explore the culture, what has been happening there. So wherever we go, students and faculty, they take at least one key point and they bring and implement here in the institute. So that is a challenging task the students and the faculty are doing. I could witness this for the past 2 years. So for the past 2 years, it's been done for 4 country visits, and the students, they take it as a very challenging. And one more point we'll have to register here at this point. Once if we are coming to the close end of the international visit, the last day they wanted to announce for the next semester where we are going. So that kind of a culture has been insisted by the students, and now we are also under pressure, like next semester where should we go. So each and everything, it's all being learned only by the students. And students, the title today is a very challenging title. It is the recent trends in computer science and data analytics. So here, even when I talk about the research papers, I've been talking about the data. Data is very, very important. So without data, we cannot do anything. So when you want to address any kind of an emergency, see now, if you just look at my right is different and your right is different. My left is different and your left is different. And my problem is different, your problem is different. So once if we are joined together in one platform, we'll have to give the solutions of whatever may be the problem. So now today, this is a right platform wherein the Computer Science and Data Analytics Department have organized such kind of a conference, and whatever problems you have in the emerging technology, you can put here and you can get the solutions. So it is not only just sharing your knowledge, it is also a thing that we also have a debate kind of a thing. So whatever knowledge the other end also having, they can also share, and they'll be asking more questions. In the sense, you will also be able to explain them in a better way. So nobody is master of any overall subjects. It is all the thing that each and every topic will be mastered by at least one individual. So make it as a good learning and make the day very wonderful one. My best wishes for everyone gathered over here, especially for the IT team here. Always, whatever kind of an event is happening here in all the venues, IT SIM department will be helping us in all the ways. And also especially MC, the students are very good at doing all the MC work. So now if you just ask them to do it on spot, they are ready to do it. So that kind of a culture has been slowly been implemented here in the campus. So very soon we'll grow to greater heights, and one day all the students will fly with a colorful wings, and that day will happen. We are waiting to see that day, and today make it as a wonderful day. Thank you.
Gratitude is the memory of the heart. Thank you, ma'am. In the dynamic world of technology, success is not a destination but a continuous journey of learning, adapting, and reimagining possibilities. Now, I would like to invite Dr. G. Satyavati ma'am, Head Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics, to introduce the chief guest.
It is with great honor and privilege that we extend a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed chairman, Dr. K.P. Ramasamy sir. Your visionary leadership, unwavering dedication, and invaluable guidance continue to inspire and drive us towards excellence. Your presence today adds immense value to this occasion, and we are truly grateful for your time and support. We welcome you, sir.
We heartily welcome our chairman, Dr. K.P. Ramasamy sir, for being us for the third international conference in recent trends in computer science and data analytics, which is organized by Computer Science and Data Analytics Department. So we welcome you once again here. So all these things is possible only with the help of our chairman. See, he has got a good vision. So whenever he comes and sees any kind of an event, definitely he'll speak about it at least for next 2-3 days. So whatever thing you are doing here, he'll be watching it, and then he'll also speak about this kind of a conference has been done here in this auditorium. So what next? So each and every day, he thinks and he just keeps watching each and every one of us. And since because he's from the industry background, in industry, morning schedule, evening it will be the output. Likewise, here, even though we are in the academic institute, but whenever chairman calls, he'll be asking, what is today? What is happening today? So he also expects this academic platform as an industry, and we also have been molded like that. Now, today morning, when I get up, I'll be thinking just what is today going to happen and what will be the outcome of that. So each and every day when he calls, he has a meticulous follow-up. And you will not believe, he gets up early in the morning. I don't know, even at this age, at 4 o'clock, if he gets and if he comes up and if he's into his regular routine life, we should also follow his trap. So once if we are following his trap, definitely we'll also see the success at the earliest. And I wish all the students to follow his footsteps, and that is a meticulous follow-up. So if you are doing anything, meticulous follow-up you should have. So only because of the meticulous follow-up, now our chairman has been in this position. I wish all the students will also do this way, and you could also join hands together in welcoming our chairman once again for this conference and give him a very good round of applause. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all present here. I'd like to welcome our chairman, Dr. K.P. Ramasamy sir, for this third international conference on recent trends in computer science and data analytics. Now I'd like to introduce Professor Dr. Malathi Vattumale for this international conference. Professor Dr. Malathi is a distinguished academician and researcher whose passion for photonics engineering and fiber optic sensors has led to remarkable innovations. With her expertise in lasers, fiber optics, and plasmonic sensors, she has pioneered in groundbreaking research, including the development of fiber optic-based sensors for detecting changes in relative humidity and chemical solutions. Her dedication to scientific exploration has resulted in numerous high-impact publications and collaborations with esteemed researchers worldwide. Beyond her research, Dr. Malathi is a true leader in academia. As the director of the Center for Data Science and Sustainable Technologies at INTI International University, chair of the University Research Committee, and chief internal auditor for Malaysia Research Assessment, she plays a pivotal role in shaping the university's research landscape. She also serves as the managing editor of the Journal of Innovation and Technology and actively contributes to the Optical Society of Malaysia, inspiring young researchers along the way. Recognized as a chartered engineer with the Institution of Engineering and Technology and a registered professional engineer with the Board of Engineers Malaysia, she exemplifies excellence in both research and academic governance. With an unwavering commitment to mentoring aspiring researchers and fostering innovation, Dr. Malathi continues to make a profound impact on the academic and scientific community. Welcome you, ma'am. Now I'd like to introduce Professor Dr. Siddhi Sara Maidin. Professor Dr. Siddhi Sara is a dedicated academician and researcher with a strong background in computer science, information technology, and information communication technology. She earned her BSc in Communication Technology from University Malaysia, her MSc in Information Technology from University Technology Mara, and a PhD in Information and Communication Technology from University of Malaysia. Currently serving as a professor in the Department of Data Science and Information Technology at INTI International University, Malaysia. She holds key leadership roles as head of program and deputy director. With a passion for academic excellence, she has mentored numerous undergraduate and postgraduate students, guiding them towards research and innovation. Beyond her academic responsibilities, Dr. Siddhi Sara plays an active role in scholarly publishing as an editor for the Journal of Innovation and Technology. She is also a recognized evaluator for university level and Malaysian government research grants, as well as an appointed auditor for Myra University rankings in Malaysia. Additionally, she contributes to the organization of both local and international conferences, fostering academic collaboration and knowledge exchange. Her research interests span software engineering, educational technology, and data science, reflecting her commitment to advancing these fields. Through her leadership, research, and dedication to academic development, Dr. Siddhi Sara continues to make a significant impact in the world of higher education and technology. We welcome you, ma'am. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for the thoughtful and eloquent introduction of our esteemed chief guest. Your words have set a perfect tone for this momentous occasion. The art of honoring is the testament to the strength of character and the richness of a soul. I would like to invite Dr. P. Geetna ma'am, Principal, KPR College of Arts, Science and Research, to honor the chief guest with a shawl and a memento. I request our chairman, sir, to join us on the dais.
Thank you, dignitaries. In a landmark collaboration, KPR College of Arts, Science and Research, the Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics, and INTI International University, Malaysia unite to drive innovation, research excellence, and global academic synergy. This memorandum of understanding signifies a shared commitment to advancing knowledge, fostering transformative technologies, and shaping the future of computer science and data analytics. Together, we pave the way for groundbreaking discoveries and next-generation education. Now, let us witness the signing of MOU with INTI International University, Malaysia.
Thank you, dignitaries. With knowledge bound in print, the hard copy edition of the conference proceedings stands as a lasting testament to scholarly excellence, preserving insights that will shape the future of computer science and data analytics. Now, I'd like to invite Dr. P. Geeta Ma'am, Principal, KPR College of Arts, Science and Research, to release the hard copy of the International Conference on Recent Trends in Computer Science and Data Analytics. Thank you, dignitaries. Distinguished guests, today we have added a special touch. Right before you is a puzzle that reflects your esteemed professions. This challenge is designed to introduce and inspire you, drawing upon your expertise and creativity. We invite you to take a moment to solve it, and we look forward to witnessing the brilliance of your insights. As professionals in the tech domain, we are architects of the future. Let's build a world where every line of code contributes to positive change. Now, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Malati Bhattumalai, Director, Center for Data Science and Sustainable Technologies, NT International University, Malaysia, to take over the session.
Should I read this? No. I have to read. Okay, all right. Okay, a very good morning, everyone. First of all, I've been honored to be here with KPR, and I've been given this puzzle. All right, okay. A person is in the room with the light turned off. There is a table, a total of 50 coins have been kept on the table. Out of 50, 10 coins are in the head position, while the other 40 are in the tail position. The person has to segregate the coin into two different sets in the way both sets have equal number of coins that are in tail position. Do I need to answer? All right, so anyone want to try to help me out? Siti Sara, you are the only one here who can help me. We are from the same. I will help you out later. All right. They said the person have to segregate the coin into two different sets in which both sets have equal number of coins. Then the answer should be 20, is it? Maths. Maybe you can help me. It's 20. Okay, all right, okay. So, thank you for the puzzle. All right, thank you very much again. I would like to extend my gratitude to KPR for inviting us here. A very good morning to Mr. KP Ramasamy, the chairman of KPR Group, Dr. P. Sharmila, the dean, Dr. P. Geeta, principal, and Dr. G. Satyawadi, professor and head of Department for Computer Science and Data Analytics, KPR. And I also would like to extend invitation for all the session chairs who have gathered here. All right, on behalf of INTI International University, I would like to say this is the starting point for us to collaborate internationally. So as mentioned by our principal just now, they are looking forward to explore another country where they can actually have conferences. We would like to welcome your team to INTI International University for an international conference in the future, and that is where we can start our research work globally, and that is a good start because INTI is also looking into students' mobility, where we would like to give the students the experience of international collaboration, and we look forward for several research works as well. So I hope with that, I would like to end this talk. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your expertise with us today. Your keynote was truly inspiring and thought-provoking. A gathering gains its true significance when graced by visionaries who inspire and lead by example. Now, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Siti Sarah Maiden, Deputy Director, Center for Data Science and Sustainable Technologies, INTI International University, Malaysia, whose presence elevates this occasion and whose insights will undoubtedly leave a lasting impact on us all. The session is over to you, ma'am.
Good morning again. All right. Okay. Today I'm invited to deliver a keynote on recent trends shaping computer science and data analytics. So once again, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Malati Batumalai from INTI International University. My background is photonics engineering. I'm a chartered engineer of IIT, a professional engineer of Board of Engineering Malaysia, and also a professional technology of Malaysian Board of Technologies. Well, today I'm going to just give an introduction about IR 4.0. IR 4.0 reflects to Industrial Revolution 4.0, which actually focuses on AI, big analytic, IoT, computing, robotics, and cyber physical system. So this is something that we know. We are working on this. And this fourth industrial revolution have rapidly changed in terms of technology, industrial, social pattern, processes in the 21st century due to the increasing of interconnectivity and also smart automation. Okay, we are focusing here now. All right, so we are looking at the fourth industrial revolution, which is actually leading the intelligent information system for the digital transformation in advanced technology. So our focus will be on Internet of Things, cloud computing, big data, AI, and mobile. And today, we have migrated to 5G wireless network, which is 70 times faster than the 4G wireless. All right, there are three main pillars. Later, I'll come back to here, so you must remember what I mentioned. The three main pillars of Industry 4.0 is actually focusing on technology. That's the first pillar. So technology means we are moving into robotics, designers, and also big data. So robotics is focusing on machines. Designers are working on prototype using 3D printers, which actually can help us to look at the design and make some final decision on that. And at the same time, big data are helping us to analyze the data that are provided in the solution to design a smart solution that we need today. And this is contributing for the field of medicine, agriculture, and even for environmental protections. The second pillar is we ourselves as a human, okay? We are working as a people and we create things that have increased efficiency, which reduce the labor, okay? That's the point that you have to take note. We have to make sure that we develop the skill from time to time. We have to make sure that we are working with the current trend and what is required. And mostly things are now centralized. So we are actually looking into monitoring of the system. All right, now the third pillar is on process. And when we look at process, that means we have our system, our machines, okay, our tools, together with human, all right, as the second pillar. The process is where we interconnect all this. And the connection are created between machine. It has to be centralized and we have to create smart system for better decision making. All right, so this is the requirement of industry for IR 4.0. And slowly human have cultivated into workforce capability, which has AI, IoT system, even the 5G cloud platform, cyber security measurements, interoperability, and finally agile production. So this is what we are learning in our colleges and what we are practicing at the moment. All right, something very important. I saw this on your, what we call that poster just now, right? Okay, so Sustainable Development Goal, we are only 5 years away to achieve this. This is our objective by the year 2030. We have to ensure whatever we have created today is able to address to one of the Sustainable Development Goals. So that means each and every time you create a product, you create a process, you have to ensure you address them according to one of the Sustainable Development Goals. All right? So this will add value to your research papers. Okay, next. The reason is that the goal aims to achieve a better and more sustainable future for balancing economic growth, social inclusion, and also for the environmental protection. All right, now, the recent trend in computer science and data analytics. So when we look at computer science and data analytics, we are working on machine learning and AI, big data, cloud computing, data privacy and security, edge computing, natural language processing, data visualization, and finally, quantum computing. Okay, now, let me run through this. Okay, AI and machine learning powering intelligence. When we have a rapid advancement, that means we are using AI and machine learning to perform complex tasks like image processing, natural language processing, and also predictive modeling. The reason is that we want AI and machine learning to actually support transforming industry. That's the whole idea. And these transforming industry actually are driving the automation, personalization, and also data-driven for decision making. Okay, now let's look at IoT. Everything, almost everything is Internet of Things today because sensors have replaced our response. All right? Okay, now when the demand of IoT increases, it has to be supported with a speed network because we want to reduce the latency. So what happened here is that with the 5G technology, we are able to offer faster speed, lower latency, and greater capacity because the bandwidth has to be increased. All right, so this will support the growth of IoT and also other data intensive applications. So this is how we need to incorporate IoT with 5G technology. Okay, now looking at VR and AR. VR is working on hardware and software. When we are working on VR and AR technology, you have to create immersive experience. We have to ensure some health issues can be addressed accordingly. All right, because when people are using AR, VR technology, we are moving in a 3D dimension. So we have to look into health issues as well. So this is where we need to ensure there's a blending between the physical and digital world as well. Okay, applications in various fields, we need to give the exposure to our students. Okay, using AR, VR, we can actually incorporate them not only in gaming, but also in training center, education, healthcare, and retail. All right, okay, so now moving forward, quantum computing unlocking new possibilities. Now, when we talk about quantum computing, it is leveraging the quantum mechanics to solve a complex issue. So these quantum problems, okay, can be solved with capability of classical computers. So what we have now is traditional. So we need to move on into a quantum computing because it will be a breakthrough for the research. All right. So how does it help? It is helping in terms of medical field, material science, and also with the help of AI technology. Okay, now next, when the technology keep growing, okay, we have to make sure our infrastructure is able to address to all the tools that we have created. So this is where we have something called cloud and edge computing. Okay, with cloud and edge computing, we have created a proper way of storage, servers, and also software. But this edge computing is actually helping us in terms to reduce the latency and enhance responsive. So now, when you incorporate cloud computing moving towards edge computing, this is where we bring in hybrid cloud. Okay, in our infrastructure, what we have is a private cloud, and if we are moving our data into the public cloud, that means we are trying to secure the scaling, the demand in terms of storage, server, and software. So we are incorporating hybrid cloud, and when we are moving towards hybrid cloud, we have to ensure we have the right technology. That is where the 5th generation is coming in. Okay, all right, now next we have, all right, now we already have analytics, we already have IoT, we have 5G, okay, everything looks beautiful, all right. Now, cyber security and data protection is most important, all right. So if you are looking into the next implementation, I would actually suggest that you try to that can actually governance. Okay, so we call it a data governance. And through this data governance, we ensure effective data governance is crucial to ensure data integrity, security, and compliance. So when we have these two together, you will be able to create data privacy regulation. This is when government will implement a strict rules. All right, so this is how cybersecurity and data protection can be implemented. Okay, what are the opportunities and challenges in data analytic and visualization? We can look into data-driven decision, data visualization, and most important is ethical. Okay, make sure whatever that we do, we are actually following the ethics. All right, now, these are the opportunities that we can create, improve the decision making, enhance the communication, real-time analytic, personalization, emerging tools using AI, and also the big data integration. Okay. And finally, these are the challenges that we should address in our research work in terms of data quality issues, scalability, interpretation, complexity of tools, make it even easier, all right? Ensure there is security and privacy. Make sure our system is able to overcome overwhelming information. And finally, there is a gap. Okay, something that I would like to say here. Whenever you start your research, all right, the first thing that you need to do, you need to understand what is the existing system doing. Okay, that's why your lecturers will tell you, go and analyze about literature. When they say literature, that means we are gathering information about the research work that is done by other researchers. Try to gather this information, find out what are the tools that they have used, what are the principles that they have followed. If you feel that is the strength, we can follow. If you feel that you want to oppose, you can also do that. Then you will identify something called gap. Answer to the research gap and you are actually answering to the problems. And that is where you come out with your own solution. All right? Okay. So I hope that my sharing today have given you some insight of knowledge. And with that, I say thank you very much again to KPR for the opportunity. That is my email address. You can always contact me through the email. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your expertise with us today. Your keynote was truly inspiring and thought-provoking. A gathering gains its true significance when graced by visionaries who inspire and lead by example. Now, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Siti Sarah Maiden, Deputy Director, Center for Data Science and Sustainable Technologies, INTI International University, Malaysia, whose presence elevates this occasion and whose insights will undoubtedly leave a lasting impact on us all. The session is over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Can you hear me? All right. Okay, give me the mic. All right, okay, thank you. Okay, good morning, everyone. Okay, I would like to thank our Dean, Dr. P. Sharmila, Professor and Head, Dr. G. Satyawati, and also Dr. P. Gita, our principal in KPR. Okay, I'm Siti Sarah Maiden. I'm from INTI International University. Okay, so as what Prof. Malati mentioned just now, all about data analytics, okay, cloud computing, IoT, and so on. So I'm going to explain about software development methodology. I believe you guys are, if you are computer science students, okay, you will take one subject about this software development methodology. All right, so this project is actually my research grant project funded by our government. We recently completed this project. This is about hybrid agile. All right, okay, so just my background, okay, working experience, okay, I'm from industry and then I joined the academia. My research interest is in software engineering, data science, and also information systems. Okay, why this topic? Okay, because the growing adoption of agile methodology in software engineering and also the need of hybrid approach due to the project complexity. Okay, this presentation is going to cover about Scrum and Waterfall methodology for hybrid agile. All right, so when we talk about hybrid, hybrid is a combination. So now we are going to combine the software development methodology. Okay, we know already there are lots of methods. Okay, we have RAD method, we have waterfall, we have Scrum, and so on. Okay, so this one, okay, our project is focusing on how to combine the waterfall structured approach and also Scrum. Okay, and then to what extent people are aware that they have already used hybrid methodology. Okay, why must hybrid? Okay, because hybrid offers the flexibility. So later on I will explain, okay, from our research, okay, what we found. Okay, so in which phase people prefer to use hybrid, in which phase they prefer to use the structured method. Okay, so basically I believe most of you know already this is our waterfall model, which is a very structured approach. Okay, so which means that the input from the previous phase, okay, will become the input, the output from the previous phase will become the input for the next phase. Okay, it is a very linear approach, okay, and it is suitable for a project with a clear and stable requirements. And when we talk about Scrum, okay, so this is all the flexibility comes in, okay. So it is emphasizing the iterative development, okay, with a short cycle, we call it as a sprint, okay. And then we have the sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, and also retrospectives. And this is examples of a hybrid, okay, from Singtu and Pakde, Imani, and also Yoski and Oloswi. So we can see here, there is no one fixed hybrid agile, the diagram here. Okay, it depends on how we are going to use the hybrid. Okay, so this is example from the 3 most widely known author for this hybrid. And this is the research flow. We have conducted a series of interview, which is a semi-structured. We involve 5 respondents, okay, and then we transcribe their outcome. And basically, this is the results, okay. So we have 5 respondents from respondent A until respondent E. Okay, in the planning and requirements, they prefer to use the waterfall, okay, because not much input required, not much tasks in this, okay. We just want to have the requirements well defined. And then for the design also, they use waterfall, but during the development, all of them, they use Scrum. During the testing, some are using Scrum and some are using waterfall. And during the deployment and also maintenance, all are using waterfall. So this is actually what we call it as hybrid. Okay, it is a flexible in which phase that you are going to use the structured approach and in which phase you are going to use the Scrum. Okay, and then this research is actually we have done in Malaysia, This is in the context of Malaysia. So now, hybrid agile in IBM USA, they also have used the hybrid methodology. So there are a group of researchers, okay, visited IBM and they also conducted the semi-structured interview. So now, based on the result, okay, the project managers actually utilize the hybrid approach, okay, because, okay, due to its flexibility. But however, the term that they use is hybrid with discipline instead of hybrid agile. So currently, we notice that developers are using hybrid agile already, but it depends on the terms they use, okay, might be different based on the organizations. And in the context of China, so this one is my study as well, in the context of China. So we have done interview with the software developers in China. So in the context of China, they recognize the hybrid agile benefit, but however, they are 50-50 to adapt to hybrid agile benefit because for them, they focus on the outcome. instead of what we are doing, the structured approach. A, B, C, D, they don't want that. Okay, they focus, okay, this is the problem that you are going to address. Okay, with your software, they just develop first. The method, whatever method that you want to use is up to you, as long as there is outcome. So, based on my research in Malaysia and China, we noticed that in Malaysia, we are more structured. Okay, we need to well define the methodology, but in China, they are focused in the output. Okay? So, conclusion, okay, there is no one single method which is suitable to all the projects, okay? So, you need to understand the complexity of the project, the requirements of the project, okay? And the objective of your project, okay? And then, it need to be aligned with the project objective to ensure that we reach the outcome. Okay, so that's all. I have simplified my presentation. Thank you so much.
Great insights come from great minds, and today we have been truly inspired. Your words have not only enriched this gathering, but will also continue to guide us forward. Thank you, ma'am, for your time, wisdom, and presence.